This is the BMW N62B44 engine. It is manufactured in our factory with original parts. The BMW N62B44 engine has two versions. Displacement, power, bore, and stroke are the same for both versions. 4.4 liters, 92 mm bore, and 82.7 mm stroke. Development power of one version is 320 horsepower at 6,100 rpm, and two is 440 Nm at 3,700 rpm. Second version develops 333 horsepower at 6,100 rpm. Its torque is 450 Nm at 3,600 rpm. Production of this engine between 2001 to 2006. Cylinder block, aluminum V8. Block 8, aluminum 32B. Compression ratio 10 and 10.5 with no turbocharging, and the fuel type is petrol.